Today, we will show you the best weightlifting exercises that will help you stay fit, build strength, and have fun while doing it. So, let's dive right in. We have some fantastic exercises lined up that will target different muscle groups and get you on your way to becoming a weightlifting pro. Goblet squats target your legs, glutes, and core. Hold a dumbbell vertically, close to your chest, and lower into a squat position. Keep your chest up and push through your heels as you stand back up. Deadlifts are a fantastic full-body exercise that targets your legs, back, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, grip the barbell just outside your legs, and lift the weight while keeping your back straight. Kettlebell swings. This dynamic exercise engages your hips, glutes, and core. Hold the kettlebell with both hands, hinge at the hips, and swing it up to shoulder level, using the power from your hips. Overhead press. This exercise targets your shoulders, arms, and upper back. Stand tall, hold the dumbbells at shoulder level, palms facing forward, and press the weights up overhead, extending your arms fully. Let's get those arms pumping. Medicine ball slams. This exercise is not only a great way to work your upper body but also serves as an excellent stress reliever. Hold the medicine ball above your head, then forcefully slam it down to the ground, engaging your core and upper body. Let's take a moment to slow our heart rate and focus on breathing. Stretch those arms, legs, and back to promote flexibility and prevent any post-workout soreness. Cool down stretches. Remember, consistency is key, so keep challenging yourself and celebrating your progress along the way. Thank you for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel. As always, stay motivated, stay determined, and we'll see you in the next video.